My name is Jorge and I am a geoscience major here at UWM. Throughout most of my undergrad journey, I've actually been involved with undergraduate research. That hands-on experience, it's given me professional development. It's also given me the confidence that I don't think I would have gotten anywhere else. We have a whole wing in Bolton Hall that offers a bunch of multicultural offices. I took advantage of the Roberto Hernández Center. They do a lot of things for underrepresented students, and through that I was nominated for a program called Go Forward, which was a program designed for underrepresented students interested in geoscience. And within that program, I was able to then network myself to get an internship in Oak Brook, Illinois. The company was called GZA Geo-Environmental Inc. I was able to then get a mentoring position with Wiscamp, which is also a program for underrepresented students in STEM.
Because this was all, there was a big deposit that came on top of it, and that's why we can see these external remnants.
I think that imposter syndrome is very common, and I think that's also why there's a diversity issue in STEM, because a lot of underrepresented students don't know the opportunities or just don't think that they are able to do it, because when they picture a scientist in their minds, they probably don't think themselves, or they probably don't see anyone that resembles themselves in that position, so they kind of stray away from it. I think having that confidence and being like, hey, I can do it, I'm writing a paper, I'm going for this, it helps a lot to develop character. The biggest advice that I can offer to students that are at their first internship or even doing their first fieldwork project is don't be afraid to ask a million questions. Most people know that you're there to learn, so they will actually go above and beyond to help you. Just leave better than how you started.